Mula Batanes hanggang Holo, pati mga Dabarkads sa ibang bahagi ng mundo. Ito nang hinihintay nating lahat.
Yes!
The Clones,
The Voice of the Stars Grand Concert! Mga Dabarkads, a moment of silence para po sa outfit ng ating Queen Clone.
What? Queen Clone?
Iba talaga, Queen Alan.
Tunog pa King Kong na yung Queen Clone.
Yun nga, mamahalan. Ganda, ganda mamahalan.
Ganda,
Pang grand
mamahalan.
concert talaga.
Pero tama lang yan ganito mga suot natin, mga Dabarkads. Kasi ngayon na ang pagsasama-sama ng mga Grand Finals winners ng singing contest. Ito po na nag-set ng bagong standards. Bagong pamantayan para sa mga singing competition sa ating bansa. Pati sa buong mundo, mamahalan.
Correct.
Totoo, ginulat nila tayo.
Sobra, mamahalan. Trending tayo lagi. Yung mga clothes
Magagaling.
natin.
Alam nyo magaling dahil hindi lang tayo mga Pilipinong nag-uusap-usap sa online. Pati mga foreigners eh.
Correct.
Ni-YouTube tayo eh. Sabi nga ni Boss Joey, sa 46 years ng Eat Bulaga, isa na po ito sa paborito niyang segments. Ganon din para sa maraming Dabarkads. Maraming salamat sa support.
Thank you!
Shout out sa mga Dabarkads sa sumuporta sa The Clones at humanda na sa level of concert experience from the new wave of Filipino singers.
Pero bago po ang mga clones, mauuna nating painitin ang ulo ng mga...
Uy.
Hindi.
Alin mapainitin.
Hiluhin na lang, hiluhin.
Yeah, painitin natin ang upuan ng ating distinguished judges ng EB Concert Stage.
Let's welcome some of the best talents from the Philippines and the world. Sila ang judges ng The Clones, Ka-Boys of the Stars Grand Concert.
Singer, songwriter, record producer, director, and Asia's acoustic sensation, Ay Sigera. From heartfelt ballads to timeless acoustic hits, she is truly the queen of acoustic pop. Juris!
Pansin mo ba ang pagbabago? Di matitigan ng iyong mga mata. Tila di na nananabik sa iyong yakap at halik. Sana'y malaman mo, hindi sinasadya. Kung ang nais ko ay maging malaya, di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang
Composer, musical scorer, and director for theater, television, and film, Vincent De Jesus.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hits my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy in my mind. Then I look at you, everything's alright with me. Then I look at you, and I know it's gonna be, everyone, 5, 6, a lovely day. A lovely day. A lovely day. A lovely day. Lovely day.
One of the country's most talented screen and theater performers, and Masked Singer Pilipinas Season 3 grand winner, Pepe Herrera.
Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Wounded heart, when the light disappears, and when these words insincere, you'll be safe here when nobody
you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here in my arms through the long cold night. Sleep tight. You'll be safe here when no one understands. I believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. Put your heart in my hand. You'll be safe here.
Multi-platinum recording artist, and the crystal voice of Asia, Sharon Rehis.
Kung kalungkutan kong kaligayahan mo, kung pagkatapos ko'y paglaya mo, kung ang sugat sa puso kong siyang lunasan sa puso mo, paano na ako magpaparaya pa? Papakawalan na lamang bakit ang buwas sa loob, pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ang sarili, sino bang mananatili? Sino nga ba ako pa o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, gusto ko nang bumitaw.
World-class talent, whose voice has graced both local and international stages. The Philippines rock and soul diva, Aisel Santos.
Hindi ko alam bakit nagkaganito. Matapos ibigay ko ang lahat sa'yo, hindi ko malimot ang sakit na nadama. Ngunit kahit anong pilit na limutin, bakit tila di kayang gawin? Ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ng puso. Ikaw pa rin ang siyang laman ng isip ko. Ayoko na sana, ngunit ang sigaw nagkakabiba. Ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ng puso. Ikaw pa rin ang laman ng isip ko. Ayoko na sana, ngunit ang sigaw nagkakabiba.
Composer, arranger, producer, musical director, and member of the Filipino pop rock band Neo Colors, Jimmy Antiporda.
I only knew you for a while. I never saw your smile till it was time to go away. Sometimes it's hard to recognize. Love comes as a surprise, and it's too late. It's just too late to say. Too late to say, come on. We'll always be together, however far it seems. We'll always be together, together with electric dreams. Together with electric dreams.
Theater, television, and movie actor, director, and OPM balladeer, Raymond Lochenko.
Hello po. We smile, and that's how it all started. And you came right in time when I needed someone, and we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast. So it's you I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, these will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. We are here, you and I, we belong.
Recording artist, television and film actor, and Miss Saigon alumna, Ima Castro.
You are sunlight, and I'm moon, joined by the gods of fortune, midnight and high noon. That's what we are. How in one night have we come so far? Outside day starts to dawn. One long night time has gone. I feel you near, I cry no more. I know you're here, I reach your door, and our love is reborn. You are sunlight, and I'm moon, joined here, brightening the sky with the flame of love. Made of sunlight, moonlight.
music producer, vocal arranger, singer, and musical director, Mon Faustino.
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Ang lagi kong dinadasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tangi kong hiling ay makapiling ka. Muli.
Award-winning singer, world-class performer, the OPM's Pop Chanteuse, Cool Ledesma.
Is this love? Feeling restless inside, wanting you to always be by my side. I don't even want you out of my sight. You are in my thoughts all day and night. I can't get you out of my mind. I think I'm in love. Come on, everybody. I think I'm in love. Think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I wanna spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you can, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do.
Mga Dabber Cats, ang mga judges ng The Clones, Ka-Boys of the Stars Grand Concert.
Judges pa lang, pasabog
Oh,
na.
Kaya nga eh.
iba na.
Diba? Umpisa pa lang, ibang level at kantahan na talaga kasama ang mga bigate nating judges. Team Bahay, paalala lang, you can still support your favorite clone. Pwede pang mag-like sa TVJ Facebook page.
Pero mga Dabber Cats, relax muna
Relax,
tayo.
relax.
It's gonna be a wonderful afternoon, lalo na ang mga judges na pasasakitin po natin ang ulo mamaya. Maraming salamat po, kaya po namin kayo binabad sa paracetamol.
Maraming nakahanda para sa etamol.
Eto na po, Dabber Cats, the clones, Ka-Voice of the Stars.
Kausapin naman natin sila. Tira natin kung anong mga...
Yung iba nakasama na natin dito nung nakaraan.
Oo.
mga Alan.
Sila, Juris, yata, first time. Tama ba?
Hi, Juris.
Hi,
Hi!
Juris.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat.
Hello.
Kumusta po kayo mga Dabber Cats? Hi!
Ready ka na bang sumakit ang ulo?
Ready tsaka excited ako.
Excited, of
Siyempre.
course.
Maraming salamat for having me here.
And good luck to you.
Good luck.
O, balita ko nga, ito sa mga nakapag-judge na dito. Medyo hirap daw. Pero sige lang.
First
Hindi na lang
time.
marami kami.
First time mo, no?
Opo.
Anong ina-expect mo sa contest na to?
Siyempre, na-expect ko talagang gayang-gaya. Ang
Clones talaga.
voice
Dapat.
talaga.
Oh,
Dapat ka-boses. All throughout. Ganyan.
Plakado dapat.
Plakado. Oh, dapat may ganun.
And this is the grand final, so talaga.
Of
Correct.
course, I heard.
Salak,
Super
salak.
grand final.
Super grand finals. Thank you, Juris.
Thank you. Thank you.
Eto, first time din sa atin, ay
talaga?
si Gera.
Ay, hello po. Salamat po sa pag-invite po sa akin, mga tabar.
Salamat na po.
This is my first time.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Hello po. Salamat.
Tawarin niyo po kami.
Hello po, Lover Cats. Hello po.
Ang ating traffic diva.
Yes, si Asa.
Nice to be back.
Namiss ko kayo.
Welcome back.
Ma'am Aisel, ano pong order ninyo? Kukunin na namin kayo.
Congratulate natin siya, nominated siya Best Actress
Ay,
sa
wow!
Urian.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Eh, si Sir Vince De Jesus din.
Ah, iba din.
Best actress din.
Music. Music. Iba yun si Vince.
Isal, ikaw naman baka meron kang ka-voice din.
Ay.
Na
Sino
artist.
kaya?
Pwedeng local, pwedeng international.
Kakantahin ko na ba now na?
Pwede ba?
Kahit konti lang.
Patikim.
Kapos ba? Pikit. Should stay and do. Will always love you. Pwede na po, judges. Pasado.
Sana lumiko ka sa kaliwa mo. Si Atasha Mulak manghang-mangha nakanganga.
Diba? Oh, pag natutulog, ganun talaga.
Tulog lang pala.
Good luck, Asa.
Eto, balikbayan din sa atin to.
Yes.
Ima Castro.
Hi, Coach.
Yes po, I'm so happy to be back.
Coach, anong expectations mo dito sa clones?
Kagaya ng sinabi mo, sasakit ang ulo ko, I'm
Ayan.
sure.
Ready po para
Sure yan.
Pero ready.
Oo, pero I'm so excited. I'm all for sumakit ang ulo ko.
Yeah.
Basta
Masarap din ganun,
makakita ng magagaling na talent.
Ay,
Yun naman yun.
mamamangha ka pa.
Promise yan. Promise yan.
Si Pepe Herrera.
Thank you,
Yun, no?
Sa judges pa lang doon ako sumakit na ulo niya. Kausap ko siya kanina.
Uy.
Hi, Sir Pepe.
Hello.
Hello.
Ano ulit pangalan mo?
Ian po.
Hi, Ian.
Kamusta po kayo?
Okay na okay. Para ako nanood ng concert kanina eh.
Oo nga.
Pwede na nga ako upo eh. Okay na, solved na ako.
Ikaw, Pepe, ano namang ina-expect mo? Meron ka ba nilulook forward for today's competition?
Syempre yung performance ng... Kasi lahat sila grand winner na, di ba?
Yes, best of the
So,
best.
ine-expect ko na pipigayin ko yung brain cells ko mamaya sa pag-compute kung sino.
Good
Hirap
luck.
to, mahirap, pero I welcome the challenge.
Good luck and thank you,
Salamat.
Pepe Herrera, for
Okay.
joining us today.
Si Direk Raymond.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Good afternoon. I'm very excited to be here. Hello, Dabarkads. Hello.
Welcome to Eat Bulaga. Naku,
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I don't know.
bahala na.
Mixed feelings.
Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions.
Well, I'm pretty sure at the end of this afternoon, bukod sa masakit ang ulo, ay napakasaya nyo bilang mga
Correct.
judges this afternoon.
I think so, Ryan. I think so. You know, can I just say, itong pagiging clone or pagiging sound-alike, it's really an art form in itself eh. Hindi siya madali. Hindi lahat ng
Right.
tao kayang gumaya sa ibang, kaboses or singer. Ako inaamin ko, hindi ko kaya. Ang kaya ko lang gayahin yung sarili ko. Wala akong katalent-talent sa sa pagiging
cloning.
clone. Wala akong katalent-talent dyan.
Nabanggit nyo na rin na mahirap siya. What special talent should a singer have para maging clone? Kasi iba yung originality eh. Pero sa pagiging clone na Sir Raymond, what do you think is that special
For
thing
me,
we're
I would
looking
think
for?
kakaiba yung hearing, yung tenga. Na being able to listen and then transform that into a sound that you can produce yourself, that's a very special talent na hindi kaya ng lahat ng tao.
Tekahan.
Mahirap yan, mahirap.
Mahirap.
It's a gift.
It's a gift.
Yeah.
It's a gift. So thank you for inviting me to witness the gift.
Yan.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you,
Sir
Direk
Raymond.
Raymond. Nako, ito na si Pop Diva, Miss Coolidesma.
Miss Ku, welcome po.
Hello, thank
Welcome
you
back.
for having me here. This is exciting, actually.
Exciting siya talaga.
Yes, Miss
Super.
Ku.
Grabe.
Dahil level up na po. Ang mga Pilipino known around the world na magaling na kumanta. Kaya
Yes.
mas pahihirapan pa ho natin. Sasaktuhan na ho natin. Ano po bang hinahanap niyong pagkakasakto ng mga clone ngayong hapon?
Wala, yung perfect lang.
Uy,
Perfect lang.
Pasensya na.
Wala po eh.
Pasensya
Walang
na,
mali.
perfectionist si Ku.
Yun lang naman, yung perfect.
Ang simple lang ang hinahanap niya, perfect.
Perfect lang.
Tapos.
Tapos, ang
Yun
laban.
na.
One word.
Thank you, Miss
you,
Ku.
Miss Ku.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Good luck sa ating mga judges.
Good luck. Kasama din natin para mag-judge sina, of course, Dabarcats
Ice.
Ice Sigera, Sir Vince De Jesus, Shireen Reyes, Jimmy Antiporda, and Sir Mon Faustino.
The
Welcome po.
Clones, Boys of the Stars Grand Concert continues when we return here in
It's